This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Kim Cyphers. This darling home has had some love lately. It's had a new and improved crawl space and entry door, 821. Some melted siding replaced, a structural lift was done to the front porch, new gutters, 0821. Septic has been pumped and has a new alarm, 921, and new GFCI wiring where needed, 921. When this home was built, it was rumored to be the center of the population. It's a country charmer waiting for a new family. A cutie patootie only 6.3 miles from I-69. This is a 2-bedroom with a guest room/office on the main floor. In the past, the upstairs playroom has been used as a bedroom. The roof is only 2 years old and the water heater is 4 years old. This home is USDA eligible and has appraised at its current price. Both bedroom wardrobes stay. This home has charm galore.